Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 21st July to 25th July 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. First, let's see what happened in gold on Friday. So as you can see over here, 0.33% was the positive move, 3349.9 was the closing. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and a resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what can happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's first check our weekly chart and what happened on last week. So as you can see here, I have already opened the weekly chart, and here we can see a bearish candle with a big lower wick and a small upper wick. Here this stochastic RSI is at oversold area and indicating a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark important support and resistance zone on 1-day chart. So here let's open first my 1-day chart. So here I've already opened the 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So now the levels are now marked. As you can see, I've already marked some levels on our previous session, so I don't need to mark any new data because there is no different data where we can see to mark. So let's talk about the closing. So here 3349.9 is the closing. Here the direct support is 3327, direct resistance is 3350. After direct support, there is a support of 3300 and then 3271. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 3375 and then 3400. So here these are some important levels which will help you to take trades this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex from India, then I have already shared 2 prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also given a discount coupon code which you can use and get a 20% discount on the prop firm. First link you can see a code also. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on that, on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold pair for the week. So according to the previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move of around this level 3350 to 3375. I'm expecting a closing in this level for the coming week. And also, if you're looking for any short trades, only look for short trades when 3327 gets breached and it gets closed below this level, which is 3327. If a 1-day candle closes below 3327, then we can see a move, downside move till 3300, a negative move till 3300. Also, my expectation is positive. What is your expectation? Just let me know in the comment section, and do follow me for more such analysis. And also don't forget to comment and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.